Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to create this beautiful 3D brush in the app Hipaint. So don't skip the video anywhere and let's get started. So first I'm going to open a 1:1 ratio canvas in my Hipaint app. I prefer creating 1:1 ratio because for uploading the elements inside the app we prefer 1:1 size, so I'm going for this. Now I'm going to create the basic element for this brush. So here, this is square shape. I want this 5 square shapes in my brush, so I'm just filling the entire canvas since it is a square shape one, and then I'm going to use the transform tool to make it smaller like this and release. And to avoid messing up with the white color, I'm going to switch off the background so that the white color is visible well. Now I'm going to swipe left and copy, and using the alpha lock I'm going to fill the shape with white color now. And for filling the shape you can use the willow leaf brush, and now it's white color. Now using the transform tool I'm going to move it to the bottom and just increase the size of this pixel value for moving the moving distance, and you can use the arrows to move it in whatever direction you want. So here you can see there is a small gap between this box and this, so I'm going to reduce the size of this movement and move it. Yeah, now we got this, and I'm going to duplicate this one time. I will keep that one aside, and I'm going to merge these two together. So I'm going to merge this. Here you can find the merge option. When you click on the merge, it will merge to the bottom layer. Now I'm going to copy this, and we got the copy of this. Now we're going for the copied one and move. Simple. Now you can find a small gap, so reduce the pixel size and move it. Okay, now we got this, and you can release. Now we got 4 square box with alternate color, and now I'm just moving it to the top, and using the transform tool I'm going to move it to the bottom. And make sure you don't leave any gap and release. Okay, now we got the 5 box alternate color, and I'm going to click on this merge all to create a single layer. Once done, you can see a single layer, and I'm going to move it to the front, the center. So click on the transform tool again. If you want, you can increase the size. To increase the size, make sure you are on this and just drag it. Don't crop it off anywhere at the top or bottom, and then okay. Maybe we can reduce the size a little bit. Now we got this shape, and I'm going to export this as transparent PNG, and make sure your background is totally transparent. You have to switch off this background option to get it transparent. And now click on this export, click on this export PNG, and we got this. Now hide this layer, create a new layer, and now we're going to create the brush and set up the brush. For this brush it's going to be quite simple, and for creating a new brush we have to use any of the basic brush that we have here. And I'm going to use, as usual, I'm going to use the ball pen brush. Be on that brush and click on this copy brush and move on to the new section. Here on the unnamed section I'm going to paste this brush and click here. Now go to shape, now click on the shape, and we have to import the shape that we have exported now. So click on this plus symbol, and here we have. Now just click on this tick, and if you scroll down anywhere you can find it in between these shapes. And yeah, here is mine. Click on that, and if you didn't change the color parameters in this brush, it will be like a simple solid color, and whatever color you choose will be added to that. Like if it is a white color we have chosen, it will be white, something like that. So to avoid that, because we have the alternate colors in that element, so switch on the original color effect, and then make sure there is no space, zero spacing, and then we got this. Now increase the size and see, we got this beautiful 3D brush. And if you want only the 3 lines, black lines, you can leave an empty space between these lines instead of having the white color square. So yeah, here you can see our beautiful 3D brush. Hope you like this tutorial, learned something new from my Hipaint tutorials. If so, subscribe to my channel. Also check all of my Hipaint videos in my channel. You can find something useful for you. Thanks for watching. Bye.